Hi guys, welcome to Taste to Explore. My name is Darlene, and today, my friends, we are making a breakfast berry and oatmeal shake. It is absolutely divine, very easy to put together, perfect on the go to make it the night before, so you can drink it as you leave the house. It's perfect as a snack because it's delicious and it's light. And it's pretty healthy. It's low in fat, You can substitute the milks in any way that you want. You can use soy milk, almond milk, whole milk, whatever you prefer. And it's easy to play around with. You can freestyle to what you want it to taste. So I'm going to show you my really simple ingredients to get this started. And then we shall. Alright guys, now let's begin now. These ingredients are super easy, and you can customize it according to how you want it. So right now I have a half a cup of blackberries, just about a half a cup of blueberries, maybe a little less, 2 small bananas, but you can use 1 large one. Now right here I have quick oats, the 1-minute quick oats. What I did was I placed this in my food processor to grind it up until it becomes like powder, or if you have a nutribullet, perfect. You can grind it up while it's still dry at its raw state. There's nothing here that you have to cook, so don't worry about that. That's why this breakfast shake is quite easy to make. There's no cooking involved. So just blend it up until it becomes like a powder. And then there you go. And this makes it easy because I want my shake to be nice and smooth. I really don't want to taste any grittiness to it. And right here I have 1 cup of vanilla flavored almond milk. And that is it. It's pretty simple. Now let's begin. Alright guys, now let's begin. This is a pretty simple, no cook type of breakfast, which is perfect. It's quick and it's easy. And you can customize it as you like. So I had my berries and my banana in the freezer just to give it a nice cold chill to it. I didn't want to have to add any ice, which you don't have to if your fruits are cold. So like I said, you can customize this however you would like. I like to use the vanilla flavored milk because it gives them an extra flavor and a little bit of sweetness. Now, if you really want to watch your calories, you can get the low fat. I think that was like an 80-calorie one. I'm not too sure, but you can customize it however you like. And now let's begin. Look at that beautiful dark purple color. Now let's do a taste test. Now, one thing about this, like I said, you could customize it yourself. If you want it more thicker, you can add more oatmeal or less milk or more milk or whatever you like. And then that's it. It's totally done. Now let's do a taste test. Alright guys, now you have to give this shake a try. This is absolutely divine. Delicious. As you can see, we didn't add no sweetness, and it didn't need any. The bananas gave us some sweetness, and the almond milk. Perfect. You don't need to add nothing else. And the berries, they were so good. Sometimes when you eat berries, it could be a little tart. Not these. It managed. It's just delicious. You don't even taste the oatmeal in here, and it is so good. And it's a little bit filling, so this is definitely something on the go or as a little healthy snack. This is definitely an easy, healthy alternative to have in the morning, or have as a snack, or have it when you want. So thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to click that bell so you can get notified, and follow me on my social media sites. Thank you so much. I will leave you all the very easy ingredients listed down below, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.